Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert public accounts to private or personal accounts in Pinterest. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Pinterest app on your phone, then tap at the profile icon, which is this option right here. This option, you tap on it, then you tap on account management. Okay, good. Alright, then from here you're going to tap on this option, which is convert to personal account. So you're going to tap on it. Then from here you tap on convert to personal. Then the account will switch from business account to personal account, and that's how to convert business account to personal account in Pinterest. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.